Hello guys, so in this series you're going to learn how to make a fully functional web application using Python and Django. Django is just a Python web framework that helps us make functional web applications. We're going to make a very good dynamic web application using Django. A web application that looks like this, which you can log in, you can sign up, you can create a new user by signing up. You can register, create a new user, have their email address. Let me just demonstrate this. Have a password. Have an account. Have all these metrics where if you have a wrong password or they don't match, and have a fully functional web application that serves as a database storage for information that you have. Let me just write this real quick. You can register an account, you can log in, and then you can view information inside here. This is a web application I have made for a certain university here in Kenya, and their main purpose is just to have a database for their students where they can add new students, the program, the gender, the year of enrollment, the name, the phone number, the email, and the completion year. It's a very simple web application, and then it will tell us the total number of students, the total number of courses. They can add new students, and a very fully functional web application. It also has an admin panel where new information can be added. New students can be added without necessarily having to add them one by one, where you can just access the admin panel and add the students themselves, import an Excel file, and when you add the students, remember these are fictional students, so when you go, you can see all the students that have been added and all the courses that are there. You can see the students themselves. A very good way, and also you can search a certain program like statistics, and you can see all the students of statistics and their phone numbers and their emails, and you can search agenda. It's a multi-search kind of functionality, and so many things that you can do with this. You can also you can see the students here, the courses. You can add a new student, maybe a biology student. Gender can just fill female, enrollment year 2014, name Betty, phone number anything, email address just a fictional one, year of completion 2018. And when you submit this, it adds the student, and we have now an extra student 14, and we've added a biology course that adds to that. And you can come see the students here. You can see, and you can find the biology student here. You can see biochem. You can see the biology student here, Betty, that we've added. And it's very good for anyone who wants to learn Django. And because this is not a very complicated website, it is a $250 website that I made for a certain university here in Kenya that they'll just use to have a database of all their students without having any problem. And when you log out, you cannot view things like the dashboard. So you're going to learn all the basic information that is required in this. You cannot view the students, it just redirects to login. Till you login, that's when you can see. So all the restrictions, all the login, the logout, how to do everything from scratch. Even if you don't know anything about Django, you can just follow through this series and make a very good web application. You can challenge yourself and think of a new idea, and just try and see if you can follow through and have all this information that is there. Use it to make your own unique website. We'll also deploy this website to a unique domain name on an online server that you can view it from anywhere in the world. Okay, so we learn everything from the installation to how it works, all the basic parts, how it functions, up to the most complex part of making the login system and the restrictions. See you in the series. I hope you learn something from this, and see you in the series. Thanks. Also, all the code that will be used in this learning session or this series will have a link on the description to a public GitHub repository where all the code will be there, where you can just proofread and peruse as you follow along.